Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Times. This is Chetan Bhavani and this is the coverage from MWC 2018. And this is the Nokia 8 Sirocco, the most advanced phone till date from HMD Global. The phone is the reimagined Nokia 8 itself because it still comes with the Snapdragon 835, but there's a lot other changes that you have to check out. Firstly, with the display. It's a 5.5-inch compact display, but what comes on the front is this curved POLED display with a 2K resolution and the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection that also curves down on the sides. On the back as well is the glass back, and the frame here is made of stainless steel, which is another unique feature on the Nokia 8 Sirocco. This is a completely reflective glass bag, but then it looks really sleek and beautiful. All the phones after the Nokia 3, so this as well comes with the Android One project, and so you are getting Android 8.1.0 in this device. You can see here how slim the phone is on the sides with the curves on both the front and the back on the two sides. And these are the volume buttons on the side. On the top there is nothing, and the phone lacks a 3.5mm headset jack because the phone is quite slim and there was no real good option to have jack anywhere. Now getting into the interface, this is the stock Android which is based on Android One. So you won't find any external applications apart from the Google Play apps and some important ones. And again here, if you notice how good the display is with the two curves on both the sides. There are a few gestures that the users can play with and have a better user experience, but then this is again lesser than what the Nokia 7 Plus had offered. In the about you can see that this is 8.1.0 and the phone comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage. This is the dual lens camera, which is again similar to the Nokia 7 Plus, having the 2x optical zoom with the telephoto lens on the secondary camera, and there's a 12 megapixel primary camera as well. And there are all these features such as the Bothi, where you can have two cameras together on the screen, or you can have a picture-in-picture mode as well. This is the 5 megapixel front-facing camera, which is again something that is lesser than what you see on the Nokia 7 Plus, which had a 16 megapixel camera there for the selfies. But then here the exposure, the autofocus, the face recognition seem to be quite good. Let's jump into the settings where you can see the resolution for the video recording. The rear camera can capture 4K videos while the front one can do 1080p videos at max. And a couple of other features that you have to really note here is about the IP67 certification that this device has got for the water resistance. And apart from that, there's also the wireless charging capability given here, and there are 3 microphones on the Nokia 8 Sirocco which help in the Nokia spatial audio for a better audio recording. This is the only phone from Nokia that comes, or HMD Global, that comes with the stainless steel frame on the side and a two-side glass body. The phone is priced at 800 euros, but then what will the final price when it enters the Indian market, we are not sure, and we are not even told whether this would actually enter the Indian market anytime soon. So this was all about the Nokia 8 Sirocco, for now the most advanced phone from HMD Global. I hope you like this video and stay tuned for more videos from MWC 2018 and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching.